Harting's HON 1A connector system is a compact and flexible connector system designed to deliver data, power, and signals to industrial systems that require smaller and smaller interfaces, while minimizing the inventory needed to address different applications. The HON 1A series is the smallest in the HON family and features a modular design with robust housings that can provide the necessary shielding for motor connections. Signal, data, and power inserts are available with up to 12 contacts to serve different application requirements. The connectors offer tool-free assembly to reduce assembly time and cost. They're offered with the choice of a snap-in latch or a single locking lever to ensure a robust connection even under heavy shock and vibration. The system includes optional mat seals, color coding elements, bulkhead housings, and a variety of back shells.